Back here at Fort Sam, Houston, the Stillwell House. And this is where the porch collapsed. It was connected up there. And a big windstorm came along and lifted the columns up. And then gravity took effect. The porch fell, did a backflip, ended up upside down on top of those railings, crashed into these air conditioning units, bent them all up, knocked down the railings that went around there, and this is the result. When you don't have straps tying your porches down, sometimes they blow away. And so right now, I'm working on salvaging all of the framing from the original porch. This is all made out of longleaf pine. It's upside down now, so it's kind of confusing, but this was the built-in gutter right here. And you can see they notched it into here. They notched it into each one of these rafters. And there's some rough carpentry, you know, rigging acts of the day. And there's some square nails. You can see all these square nails. I've already pulled one of the rafters off of here, and I'm slowly working on the next one over here. We're going to try and reuse as much of the original material as possible. And so here's what I'm doing to get these rafters off. Taking a wedge and slowly feeding the wedges into place and separating the rafters from the ceiling. The ceiling was also longleaf pine. It was a beadboard material with kind of a small bead. You can see it's been painted so many times that most of the beading has disappeared. So we're trying to salvage some of that if possible, if we are allowed. So you can see it was all held together with square nails, and then there's some more modern nails that are holding the plywood on. Was on top of the decking, and maybe some screws from the metal roofing that's underneath there as well. Again, everything's upside down. So I'm slowly working my way down the length of it. It's a beautiful day in San Antonio. About 72 degrees, nice breeze from the south, chance of rain. So I'd like to get as much done before it starts raining as possible. Guys are kind of come out today, start delivering scaffolding, and this job's really going to start kicking off once we've got our scaffolding in place. You can see how the beam's just lifting up by itself as we drive the wedges into place. Anyway, thought you'd want